Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming prerequisites and logging in immediately. Install Azure CLI and run as version to confirm. Once done, authenticate with as login or use device code for servers. You should then set your default subscription with as account, set subscription followed by the subscription ID so commands target the right account. Make sure to enable any required preview extensions early. This sequence gets you from 0 to an authenticated CLI session, ready to run resource commands. Once authenticated, you create and manage resources step by step. Start with As Group Create to make a resource group. This organizes billing and permissions. Next, create a VM with As VM Create including image and size. You can inject SSH keys or admin credentials during creation. Use As Resource Show or List to inspect objects, and prefer Output JSON plus Query JMS path filters to extract fields cleanly for scripts. Make sure to tag resources for cost tracking so you can identify and clean up later. To complete your workflow, tear down or export reproducible state. Use As Group Delete with yes and no wait to remove everything in one command, or export the ARM template via As Group Export to capture configuration for replay. Once done, verify billing and resource lists with As Resource List. If something fails, run the exact command again with debug to see HTTP traffic and errors, and confirm authentication and subscription with As Account Show. That debug step usually reveals misscoped permissions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.